guys, Caceres Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, Pete and I are in Palo Alto, California today, and what would make Chris and Pete get out of their nice warm beds early on a Saturday morning in the Sacramento area and drive 3 hours down to sunny Palo Alto? Well, let me tell you something. We have heard so many things about this restaurant, Terun, and it is run by some guys from Scalea. So if you want traditional Calabrese cuisine, I've heard this place cannot be beat. We have reservations, and we're going to take you along with us. Okay, so we ordered the antipasto dello chef, and of course it's all Calabria antipasto, which I love so much. Here we have Polpetti. These are meatballs, but I think they're made with eggplant. You've got burrata in the middle. You've got, what is that? Duya. Cheeses, Calabrese sausage, Croccante, and mortadella. And oh my gosh, we are going to be really happy by the time we start digging in. So, dig in, guys. Oh, that looks amazing. So that is the steak with grana and arugula and a trunk full of fries. I've got my beautiful pizza, which is quattro stagioni. I had them put duya on it. Thank you.
Lisa, if you want, you could try a little bit of the sauce.
Pizza Daniela.
I love that.
This is like the first that's unbelievable sauce that like unbelievable. Really.
You've been here before? Okay, guys. Everybody ready to dig in?
That is amazing. It's great.
Okay, let's dig in, folks. Okay, this tiramisu is crazy. It's obviously homemade pastry.
Dip it in
so
coffee.
good.
Yeah.
I got the coffee.
Oh, yeah.
Creme brulee.
Filet?
Lisa's affogato.
Ah, this is so good.